do a quick section overview of the website that we're going to be building and designing with CSS. So we're going to take all the basic CSS skills that we've already learned, and then we're going to add on top of those with some new techniques here. So here is a quick oversight of the website we're going to be building. From top to bottom, we've got a nav bar, some button highlights. We're going to learn how to work with embedded video and to make those responsive. We're going to learn how to make images responsive as well. And then you can see down here we've also got a footer. So let me show you what this looks like when we collapse it. So when this thing appears on mobile, you can see that the nav bar has now collapsed and is a drop-down menu, and everything fits nicely onto the screen. So let's go ahead, dive in, and get building and styling this website with CSS.